Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a bike check on my Felt Volt. Alright, starting from the top, I got the ODI bar ends, the ODI long neck super soft grips. They are super soft. The felt bars, I'm going to buy some stolen cells though, when I get money. I got the Tektro brake lever and I snapped my brakes because the felt brakes aren't good. The brakes still work though. I got the felt linear, like felt Jaguar linear brake cable. I got the Elf stem right there. It's either an FSA headset or a felt headset. I don't know which one. My friend has the same bike and it's an FSA. So, the felt Park Avenue tire with the X rims. Do not know what spokes. The felt hub, the felt forks. A felt frame. Odyssey Twisted PCs. They're like the best pedals ever. I like them. Felt 3-piece cranks. Felt bottom brackets. Colt seat. Felt sprocket. Standard chain. I don't really care what chain I have. Felt Park Avenue tire. X rims. Felt rear hub. Hub guard right in there. So yeah, that's my bike. Please subscribe, comment, and rate. See ya.